If you're over 50 and you've been squatting for months with little to show for it, it isn't because you're lazy or getting older. The problem is that squats don't target every muscle and balance system your legs rely on in everyday life. That's why stairs, uneven ground, and sudden stumbles still feel harder than they should. Today, I'll show you 3 movements that fill those gaps. No barbell, no squat rack, and no beat-up knees. It's not your effort, it's not your age, and the order matters because the last one exposes a weakness that's usually invisible until it costs you a fall. Movement 1. The single-leg deadlift squats barely touch your hamstrings and glutes, the muscles that control every bend and hip hinge you do all day. Weak hamstrings and glutes make everyday bending feel harder and increase the risk of losing your balance. The single-leg deadlift fixes that directly. It forces one hip at a time to control your full body weight through a bend, rebuilding real hamstring and glute strength along with the balance system that keeps you steady on uneven ground. One small adjustment makes all the difference. Keep your spine long and flat the whole time. The moment your back rounds to reach lower, your hamstrings stop working and your spine takes over instead. Here's how to do it right. Stand on one leg with a soft bend in the knee. Hold a wall or chair with your fingertips if needed. Keeping your back flat, hinge forward at the hip while your other leg extends straight out behind you for balance. Lower until your torso is roughly parallel to the floor. Then squeeze your glute and hamstring to pull yourself back up. That's 1 rep. Progression. Week 1. 6 reps per leg. Holding support. Focused on a flat back. Week 2. 10 reps per leg. Letting go of support for a few reps at a time. Week 3. 8 reps per leg, holding a light dumbbell or water bottle. If your balance wobbles, that's not a failure. It's the exact system you're rebuilding. Movement 2. The Cossack Squat. Almost nothing in a standard leg routine trains sideways movement, yet that's the direction most stumbles happen in. Weak adductors are why your knee can buckle stepping off a curb, or why a simple sideways step suddenly feels unstable. The Cossack Squat trains exactly that. It loads one leg deep into a bend while the other stays straight out to the side, working your adductors, glutes, and quads together through a range most legs haven't touched in years. Watch out for this common error. Letting your heel lift off the bent leg side. Keep it glued to the floor and the whole exercise changes. Here's how to do it right. Stand with feet wider than shoulder width. Toes turned slightly out. Shift your weight into one leg, bending that knee deeply while keeping the heel flat as your other leg straightens out to the side. Sink until you feel a stretch through the straight leg's inner thigh, then drive back up through the bent leg's heel. Alternate sides. Progression. Week 1, 4 reps per side. Shallow depth, holding a chair for balance. Week 2, 6 reps per side. Deeper, just a fingertip of support. Week 3, 8 reps per side, unsupported, or holding a light weight at your chest. Movement 3. The elevated reverse lunge and the payoff. Real life happens one leg at a time. Walking, climbing stairs, and catching yourself from a stumble all depend on single leg strength, something a 2-footed squat never trains. The elevated reverse lunge closes that gap. Stepping back onto a slightly raised surface deepens the range of motion, forcing your front leg to absorb your full body weight alone. Quads, glutes, and stabilizers, all firing together. The mistake most people make, letting the front knee cave inward or drift past the toes. Keep it tracking straight over your middle toes, and this becomes one of the most complete single leg builders there is. Here's how to do it right. Stand a comfortable stride in front of a low step. Reach one foot back and rest the ball of that foot on the raised surface. Keeping your chest tall, bend your front knee and lower your back knee straight down, only as deep as feels controlled. Drive back up through your front heel. Complete all reps on one side before switching. Progression. Week 1, 6 reps per leg. Shallow, holding a wall if needed. Week 2, 8 reps per leg. deeper, hands-free. Week 3, 10 reps per leg holding a light dumbbell in each hand. That's your entire plan. 3 exercises, 3 weeks, and no squats. Together, they rebuild the muscles that help you walk with confidence, climb stairs more easily, and stay steadier when life throws you off balance. The strength was never gone. It was just never asked for. Try these consistently for 3 weeks and see how much steadier you feel. Tell me in the comments, what's your name? How old are you? And where are you watching from? I can't wait to hear from you.